Hello and welcome to our latest video, Survival Secrets, 12 Life Hacks to Keep You Alive. Today we're going to be sharing some essential tips and tricks that can help you stay alive in a variety of different survival situations. Whether you're lost in the wilderness, stranded in a disaster, or just trying to make it through a tough day, these life hacks can give you the edge you need to stay alive and thrive. First up, let's talk about fire. Fire is one of the most important survival tools you can have, and it can be used for everything from staying warm to signaling for help. One of the best ways to start a fire is with a fire starter, such as a magnesium flint. These small, lightweight tools can easily be carried in a pocket or backpack and can be used to quickly and easily start a fire. Next, let's talk about shelter. Whether you're lost in the wilderness or stranded in a disaster, having a shelter can mean the difference between life and death. One of the best ways to build a shelter is with a tarp. Tarps are lightweight, durable, and easy to set up, making them the perfect tool for building a shelter on the go. Another important survival tool is a good knife. A knife can be used for everything from cutting branches for shelter to preparing food. When choosing a knife, look for one with a sturdy blade and a comfortable grip. A full tang knife is the best option because they are the strongest and most durable. Now let's talk about water. Water is essential for survival, but finding a clean source of water can be difficult in a survival situation. One of the best ways to purify water is with a water filter. A water filter can remove bacteria, viruses, and other contaminants from water, making it safe to drink. Another great hack is to use a solar still to purify water. All you need is a container, a plastic sheet, and a rock. Dig a hole in the ground, place the container in the hole, cover it with the plastic sheet, and then place a rock on top of the plastic sheet. The sun's heat will cause the water in the soil to evaporate, and then condense on the plastic sheet, where it can be collected and consumed. Next, let's talk about signaling for help. If you're lost or stranded, signaling for help can be the key to survival. One of the best ways to signal for help is with a mirror. A mirror can be used to reflect sunlight and create a bright, visible signal that can be seen for miles. Another way to signal for help is to use an emergency whistle. An emergency whistle can be heard from a long distance and can be used to attract attention and help. Another important hack is to carry a personal locator beacon, PLB, with you at all times. This device allows you to send an emergency signal that can be received by rescue teams, and can help them find you quickly and safely. Another important hack is to carry a multi-tool with you at all times. A multi-tool can be used for a variety of tasks, including cutting, sawing, and opening containers. Next, let's talk about navigation. Knowing how to navigate can be the key to survival, especially if you're lost in the wilderness. One of the best ways to navigate is by using a map and compass. A map can help you identify your location and plan a route, while a compass can help you stay on course. Another hack is to use natural landmarks to navigate. By paying attention to natural landmarks such as mountains, rivers, and valleys, you can get a good sense. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on weight loss and fitness.